ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kala Shimpor hadu shiphausnam kanthi yo Father UV Joseph ban Pendapura ya ka den Shonhi kabala penkala ya ka tin Pareng shakaktin Khasi ya kabala ai kerteng Learners Khasi English Dictionary ya ka ni ka den Shonhi la pelai pai ba do MLA jong ka Nongpo constituency uba Meral Bonds aim ha ka jingelang kabala long ha Saint Joseph Higher Secondary School ha ka shnong umden Hagani ka jingelang la sakhilang do principal jong ka Saint Joseph Higher Secondary School Ufada Joachim Eka Ufada Peters Emle Ufada Divasa Vazhayel ki reurang ba nagathany umden lembat ki nonghikai bat ki khna pule jong ka ka school
Khndiak ka history gumanongno jong ka khndew ka siap hakaba mangi nilatre kata gade ki kot khasi bangila sem nilalat ang nentay nilalum nilakhar gini ki kot nilapule ani bhas ki jay dakba ward dakba thot kintin dakba gilli dakba tokit hang hangtay nakitemen kisandro ban kham smutu kintin bangim par smutu bha ban lap kejingmot ka basisha ka bajanai ka pura Akum tanya la pelang suki akis nem haduba klaim tetep mengiru kajinglum jinglang jungi ke kot kalarban kan babi yang nem kamar jumpi nadu usnem khandai span rupoe hadu usnem khandai spa ini pusanu ne ojes pulsiam ulolong unung bor unung rap junga pada sini pankit kinap kitong Pantri sutom koi mensengi hakiwi abon kikam andre hakpormiel pate bantem ban pawar penkemen ki parlok para nombor nongrap hakpor minni pergi juong kunne kasur pergi pawar kela kersoy na katwe pergi krem saitar jumo kasu toy len Nakajabiang jungo, nakajanor jungo, nakaminsim kedonor jungo. Klaim tedang kampan kre, klaim tedang kampan pro, klaim tedang kampan pe. Kano nagokod kasla. Konta. Hagi ni kisni haba ulay. Shane stay baru patasni. Ulay ulat ban poy abon kisnom. Kum dap krostep den konom bimatan. Kum ta ter badru kisnom ki bajingai bad aksbalay. Ukren badiran rangba. Badu snapi ki tap hakajabiang jungu bat ki bero nama uladon ke bor kan mo kabalong kum ke penur seorang sopan ba mari yosno kendiat kan mo ben adin habur Kau tahu lah pencipit dia lede hakabat tem saitar besli bermarenting merenggot talwak syati tangmori kita ter unang ruban tem bom tem sing kau tahu Sini ya itu gumno lawan biang kajing jenjara kajing imjongki tukum sijing sistem kami jungu kalangat hakepang kami kot yang lengkot. Ada belajar gumta kinong sonong kila kerpat iki bakin sasu rengkat berkiwe akasno kila kerpat rit iki bakin late kampaji bakin snaga ying berit saklau sebetak perkala jagum tahi kane stang siying kilami nakasnong kampaji kilatay ying berit ying trap ying skom perhalor kane ke poru ujes pilsim udruai kumne hakil nerba pengat nasong nama labha kampaji nakasnong egum tabe lawan kapor agaba o em marwe kumbandong abalai por Usang keleng kaki cloud ki betap pansyat kori ki jingpa ki sem kasur jong ke jingtoy liling kawadoy lane man pet ki ding ki ding ban pet ki sim ki do bara cloud betap perhabangi dengan pada lese nisutro nisutian nisunoy Abangim dengan ngibam suki jaya. Lada ngibam step dengan ngibam suki larangi pelek jimut saga bangi pam kerja ngelaban iba shalendet kerja shalendet man lau sok kau man lakal sok ja don kowe ke kanata pakitip maki ki barap ki bariam ki batre la gadi kalingkha kari sai na pentor ti ka hali kitip maki kumno lapoy kerja akapiliang jung samadon ngadu bastang kepuk ka dain ka lur kamoy ka bet kuba ka krup sing krup kubam ka put ka thung ka thiu ka wer ka pendak ka pentor ka ot ka lum ka lang ka tei pui teng teng hagi jaka ba ki tei pui chuaban shokuba taladon ruka shokuba ka dat kuba ka penur ka kawe penghas kait ka tep haberni ane ka te pura ka bele ane agni ka tain ru don ru ka kit ka rong atum ka pe ka ir ka kersi ka yit chia yit kau don ka shekja ka khatja adu bangiyo aga pliang jungi khendia kaja banba adu bakot jung man laga kot barlang baro saut likot kata kalong bani i basilan chalendet jung ki gibro don ko bor jungo belai ka kot ka bakran sapang ka saut or bor belai kajing stang kalong kumne oh ka pangayat kai tau yar ne khlau kaler ka pangagi wape kiwan be oh ha donot siaw danglung kesni danglung benai paro gigi tapi labu paro gigi bila tahu burung jumpi dia ruai oh saya kedar gipen benar ikam bakrau jumpi mati jumpi di kedai senang lenter oh tak sur besi oh ini trap iskor pensha pensno kendiang kesur mayan piti saya kedar nadong sedong di tahu berit padbarat pa ta ya kepawar pan pendon burung kahok kehukum kebor pada ublei yuta jing stang kaya kumta bat nagadau bujis tulsi mudai nangne nagan ke jaw nagan ke thai nagan ke snonghi de nagatahi ke daw bumangi ngila menjur ban penlong kumkan ke program kabalong tang kawai bangila penlong adu benta adi bala pelaj petbaya gan ke court dictionary Islam lesson sunuru kan penlong keno kan ke program ila su ayang ne antai hagi parolok perjor ne hagi to gi bakwa ban pini hagi we dengan penlong program tang hanne kadaw ko mga lo menne de kadaw bo dispil simu de nanne permawuru ka kanatam ka parom puris kama purina mamu la pensa hagi korjungu Ola karmuru na hiwe na ganag tain hi. Kampame na ipaman kusap umba padmana lamare na pamlata. Na isngit lundo bat harad kharbat shir masli na maulaho bat untar kham. Panaba burom na umbi matan. Panaupaw jadarin rupa kebian na umjari. Panabril khandait na usken. Untaru kampaji kamjinga khandiat. Na iter rumpet bat meimen ilan seliang kados nong raitong bat mau ulasim ulayo ke kanatang sapang ke jingan tergana ling makau raitong na kados nong padu bu jespil ila pensa ya gini ki kanatang ya gini ki puriskam haga kenja poetry haki saut likot baru ben padon sehajar kisla ne kambon susu Dena kena kita macam ni kena kita kabu pan penyutup tapi amnya ke dictionary. Andrea ujas pel siang ubat enang nehi dah kebakaran sekintian halor kejengim jengu. Ini trap baun benar. Paka hok ke im pad kadu ya wai. Kapan sengat burom ke hukum kan kot tang ya ka bensi. Kata bertemu ya ka. Paka jingkur jung kini kikor hukum tai. Kajingkur jung bar ki power badon bung teli khadar khlai teli hagi ni south art teli ki kot pang ka yang lindo ka jingkut kalong bon seng kumne kan pahu ka do kan pahai ka kan pahu ka ja kan pahai ka do ngin hundrut kemet ngin dap niar mensim ka angnur jungi ka nurlong baro ba ka hok ka in ka hok ka in.
Dictionary, Learner's Khasi Dictionary with English Khasi Index, compiled and edited by Father U.V. Joseph. On the 30th of October this year, Archbishop Victor Lindo released this dictionary in St. Anthony's College. And the head of the Department of Khasi from Nehu University gave words of appreciation for the dictionary. And after that, this is the first public function organized for this dictionary. And I must especially congratulate Father Peter and Father Joachim and all of you at Umden for having recognized this great work. And I'm sure also our MLA is here. And I would request the MLA ban pundrung kana scheme bakal pang ban subsidize kana dictionary na banda St. Joseph no atrai nam class if you know the possible jong kana school. So this is a dictionary. It's running into 1272 plus another 80 pages of introduction. Learner's Dictionary. You know the first Khasi alphabet and everything was made by Thomas Jones, and we remember him every year. And today, this dictionary I am presenting before you, and Father Jose himself will explain more, but I just want to say only this, that when you get this dictionary in your hand, then only you will know it. I cannot introduce a work of 10 years in 1 or 2 minutes. So you must get hold of a copy of this and use it. I am sure you will always be grateful to Father and others for having made this dictionary.
Kata-kata bagi dia pendidikan rengkat hakan di kesni ke Bakarpang. Na kabenta ban introduce ya kani ka dictionary. Learn Khasi dictionary with English Khasi index. Ya kabala tho ala penbit penbiang dai Father UV Joseph. Kamlong ka busuk ban tho ya kani ban pen kela ya kini kentin. I have been through in this. Just a quick glance, Father. After you handed over to me, I had a quick glance for the page 159 and the page which has really attracted my eyes, and the page 349, where I have found there are the words which the local people of Nongtlu, we are using this word. For example, the words of Khonam. Angkin boy jungi bang Khonam de hitu chali pen abdo ai kerling ketu ke Khonam. Kabali kem do. Tadi labatai yang jingmut juga khonam lo. Jadi menaga benta ke meaning hakitin karen berkomta terter ban trap yang gido berkomta terter. But another words is that hakani ke page ke balai spak sau kendai ke bakaran jepang kedua. Ke jingkang tin Khasi ciong yang jingkang mah. Hadi le ni kedin berhok kedua. Ke babi igi boy jungi hanung teluk jungi ucap keren saya trok yang jing hasem mangtai ciong. To plane atau kedua berkomta terter. Ini kentin gidon bagi jingmut begini labatai chai labatai bahani. So Father, this is a very rich tribute to the people of Right Nongtlu, to the people of Khasi Jaintia as a whole. I'm very happy to see and to be part of this beautiful program. We are grateful to the Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese, Most Reverend Father Victor Lindo, that he has released this dictionary in the month of October. And today we are here in St. Joseph Higher Secondary School for the introduction. But kalong gajing kemen, nagabanta chong i kinong chong chinong. But kabakongsan kalong baha kani ke dictionary latho shai ha kani hakmat, ha kani introduction, nagabanta gajing ainam. Ya I late Father Sobley Silvanus Ngilengdo, but iba just fills im. Ubade ubahajin ubahasem, prasnong pratau, ulumen upara, ukni ukong tongi ki nong tong chenong tong karai tong kudu. Por kapamenta nakaliang kajonga kumudong nikmat ujung pi kumbala bansutu akan ekapor idon kumba sanpau teli 50 kopi kumba sanpau kopi kini dictionary idon. But as Father have rightly said that I have to contribute something as a subsidy from my skill, so I am honored. I am honored for this. For the 50 copies that you have brought today, no need of subsidy or no need of anybody to pay. I'll give 100% subsidy for the 50 copies. So I will pay from my side for the 50 copies that have been brought today at the rate of 700 per copy. This one. This I'll pay for this all the 50 copies that you have brought today. I'll give to Father Peterson, not today because I'm not ready to pay today. Don't mind. I'll give tomorrow, but I will hand it over to Father this money so that we will leave to the Lumsinai Pari, whom to give this dictionary. We'll leave to Father Simli, whom he will give, which family he will give, which student he will give. That will leave to Father. Kikna school give it, give it on the cat, Hakanigapore. Saksisin ngidap dari sung kemen bali don rengkat badhi agapor gabakum gani kapor gabasung kemen yele sebun na pedeng jong phi pimpat da syai baha ke kata ka dictionary ke je kata ka dictionary bukai je ham yo jang ni hani mdang ski yo chai ra phi mano kani gede ke babatai chapang ka jingru spa jong ka tin khasi jungi mar ben ha ka chi phi ka batho jong padar lapen kerla da ka tin khasi jungi lapen kerla hang kharing kabamut gitu gimanang rengkin kasih jong i bro ba pule ki kani ring mining baro la chem la tip lut ki hani ya gejingmut kabamut ba gide basau kemen bayak tin gejungi la tho agane dictionary bat kanlong gejingmen toy na kabata jong gi babun kinong song chinong om tang ki wi gi bom nang tin gejungi ham tam prahi hani bro namar gejingru spa jong tin kasih agabala persyang ban penwandur Now Reverend Thomas Jones, Polwan Nagane Gari Gejungi, Aksnem Katpras Pak Saupuar Ladang Ambakla, Lopen Mi Dikasi Alphabet. But Kalalong Gejing Mentoy Hadu Menta, But Kanika Tin Jungi, Kidak Kishin Gebangi Gito, ABK, Kalong Gejing Mentoy, Marbun Napeng Jungi Nim that tip, Bahaya Kikentin Gibakano Hakakin Kasi. Today I have seen the great work that you have done for our state, for our Jaipur, for the rich culture, for the rich language that we are having. And I'm not wrong to say that you have left your footprint within our state. So thank you so much for the contribution that you have made. Father Peter Simli, ibedon rengkat bagi kene kepor, Paris praise be jongi kublish pun pada, ya kajing. Pasau bahagia jom si mata kesini, bagi don rengkat bagi, kat nol kolong ke pasau kemen bagi niyo, bagi ia kenduk hak bakum kani kejat program, kaba kerpang, kaba don jingmut, na kabenta kilawe, jong kani kari bagajat pendriu kijungi, hamtam di kena school di BI kijungi. Kat pasai hon udang gidem, kat bagaring kadang hem. Ding
lahir pateng shangi I om bakala wei kari samlak ka shong happy Rei mangi ki kun samlang ishu ya shong likti